Grabe si Kawhi Leonard. Monster putback dunk sa harap ni Gordon. Away pa nga Aaron Gordon at James Harden. Muntik nang magpang-abot at Aaron Gordon winning shot.
Now remember, the play...
Bago ang lahat, pampagana muna, let's start from dessert. Game 4 na. Denver Nuggets laban sa LA Clippers. Kampihan na. Grabe si Michael Porter Jr. May iniinda pa yan sa balikat.
Shoulder and all.
He even played through it in game 3s and so much.
Kasama si Nikola Jokic. Binuhat ang Denver.
Denver has to have. Here's one by Jokic with the finger roll. Series long.
Monster putback dunk sa harap ni Harden at Gordon. Grabe si Kawhi Leonard. Dalawa na lang sana ang lamang kaso. Pumasok ang buzzer beater ni Jokic. Kaya pumalo sa 5 ang hinahabol ng Clippers. Pagpasok ng second quarter, buhat mode na naman si Jokic. Patapos na sana ang second quarter nang bigla ang magkainitan pa sa pagitan ni Harden at Aaron Gordon.
Foul to give. Oh, we got pushing. Oh, we got a shove. And it's right in front of us.
After that third quarter, inumpisahan ni The Joker ang wild 3 points. Kaya palo sa 8 ang hinahabol ng Clippers. Pero si Kawhi Leonard bumawi ng isang 3 puntos na isang foul counted mula kay Murray.
Zubac gets the cutting Leonard.
Pero Jokic hindi pa din mapigilan sa loob.
Jokic. Oh, if you don't send help, this is easy money.
Pero buhat mode na si Kawhi Leonard na ibaba pa sa 7 ang kalamangan.
The steal. Here he goes.
Norman Powell back-to-back 3 points. Pati ang manager ng Clippers tuwang-tuwa. Jokic easy 2 points.
Bursting, turning for the lead.
Bawi naman si Harden sa kabila pero sa huli panalo pa din ang Denver dahil sa winning shot ni Aaron Gordon.
And this is for the win. Did he beat the buzzer? Did Gordon?
101 Denver, 99 Clippers.
Oh, I don't